Did you know that space is often considered silent? But what if I told you that there are sounds in space that we can actually hear? It may sound impossible, but stick around as we explore this intriguing phenomenon. What if you could listen to the sounds of planets, stars, and even black holes? Today, we're uncovering the cosmic audio that exists beyond our atmosphere. Prepare to have your mind blown. Scientists have captured the sounds of space using incredible technology. How do they do it? Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into a question that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. Can we hear the sound of space? While it's commonly said that space is a vacuum and therefore silent, there's much more to the story. Let's explore how sound works and why it's a little more complex than it seems. Understanding sound begins with knowing that it travels through mediums. In space, this presents a challenge since it's mostly a vacuum. But don't worry. Scientists have found ways to convert other cosmic phenomena into sound waves that we can listen to. In this video, we will explore how sound travels, the unique properties of space, and the technology used to capture these mysterious sounds. So, let's get started. First, let's break down what sound actually is. Sound is a vibration that travels through a medium, like air or water, and is perceived by our ears. But in the vast emptiness of space, with no air to carry those vibrations, you might wonder how we can even talk about sound. These vibrations create waves that we hear as sound. In space, while there's no air, planets and other celestial bodies create vibrations that can be converted into sound waves through specific methods. Isn't that mind-boggling? Now, let's talk about the unique nature of sound in space. Since space is a vacuum, traditional sound waves can't travel. However, scientists have discovered that sound can exist in different forms, like electromagnetic waves, which can be translated into audio. For example, when a star explodes, it sends ripples of energy through space. These ripples can be converted into sound waves that we can listen to. Through advanced technology, researchers have been able to capture these cosmic sounds. So, how do scientists capture these space sounds? One method involves using radio waves, which can travel through the vacuum of space. Instruments like the Voyager spacecraft have recorded these signals and converted them into audible sound. Another method involves using plasma waves, which are produced by solar winds interacting with planetary atmospheres. These waves can also be translated into sound, giving us a glimpse into the environment of other worlds. But what do these recorded sounds actually sound like? Space sounds can be eerie and haunting. For instance, the sounds from Saturn's rings are reminiscent of a soft hum, while black holes produce deep, rumbling noises. Let's take a listen. These cosmic recordings not only fascinate us but also help scientists learn more about the universe. They provide insights into the behavior of celestial bodies and the interactions happening in space. So, while we may not hear sound in space as we do on Earth, through technology, we can experience the incredible sounds of the cosmos in a whole new way. Isn't that amazing? These findings have opened up new avenues of research, allowing us to study the very fabric of our universe through the lens of sound. Imagine the stories these sounds could tell. To recap, while space might be a silent void, it is filled with incredible vibrations and sounds that we can capture and interpret. Our understanding of sound in space has truly expanded our knowledge of the universe. So, the next time you gaze into the night sky, remember, there is much more happening out there than meets the eye, and the ears too. Stay curious. If you enjoyed this journey through the sounds of space, don't forget to hit that like button. What do you think space sounds like? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to hear more fascinating topics like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Join our community of curious minds.